Now let's get into the actual process of indexing and how this automatic indexing actually works. Okay, this is unit number 2 in IRS. If you haven't seen the previous videos, you can check the playlist that we have made. Okay, now when it comes to indexing process, basically this indexing process involves several steps. Okay, so the first one is document analysis. As you can see, term selection and index creation. Now let's get into detail what this document analysis is. So basically, as you can see, this document analysis, what it does is, in a system, it scans documents to identify some key terms. For example, if you are searching for something, so what will it do? It will help in searching in that document, whether that term is matching in the document or not. When it comes to term selections, relevant items are selected for indexing, okay, like putting it in an order. That is term selection. And index creation is nothing but the system basically creates an index wherein it refers to references to the documents are nothing but index creation. Okay, now going to automatic indexing. Now automatic indexing. So as you can see the points written here, automatic indexing, in this basically software algorithms handle the entire process. Okay, there is no other thing that is handling the process, but it is only the software algorithms who are handling this process. Okay, and this method is used extensively due to its speed and ability to handle some large amount of data. Okay, and the best example I can give in this is automatic indexing. Google search engines, which are used, they use automatic indexing to process some millions of web pages every day. From every corner of the world, somebody is searching something, right? So million of web pages, they try to put it in an proper index, and they try to send it. And let's see how this exactly works. Okay, through text processing, term selection, and weight assignment, and index creation. So let's see in detail what is this text processing. Okay, so when the document the document contains some content, right? When it is analyzed, typically by breaking down into some kind of text. Okay, now into this, in this text there are individual words and terms. Okay, so what happens, this process often includes kind of stemming. I'll tell you what stemming is in the coming videos. So this includes stemming, where words are reduced and their bases or root forms. For example, running becomes run, and removing stop words like and, the, or, of. All of this do not contribute to the document's core meaning. Okay, that is nothing but that is called as text processing. The next one is term selection. If I'm going speed, you can just reduce the speed and you can watch it again. When it comes to term selection, the algorithm basically selects some significant terms from the document. For example, now this selection might be based on factors such as the time frequency, or how often that term appears in the document, or inverse frequency, how unique term is across a collection of documents. That is nothing but a term selection, how we are using it. Okay, now when it comes to weight assignment basically in this, each selected term is given a weight or a score, okay, which is indicating its importance in the document. Okay, now higher weights are assigned to the terms which are deemed to more relevant or representative of the document's content. Now next comes our index creation. What happens in this? Now finally the weighted terms are compiled into an index. Okay, they are compiled into an index. So what happens? They serve as a map or a reference to the document with a larger database. Now this index allows for a quick retrieval of a document during a search query. That is nothing but index creation. Now coming to the advantages of this automatic indexing. As you can see, first one is speed. Speed is nothing but, now since the process is all automated, okay, large volumes of data can be indexed rapidly by by enabling real-time updates. Okay, by enabling real-time updates and quick access to new information. Whatever new information you want to get it, you can get it just in seconds. So that speed is there in automatic indexing. Next is scalability. Now scalability is nothing but it can handle massive data sets, right? Automatic indexing, so making it ideal for a large scale. They try to make it in a large scale systems like search engine, digital libraries, or big data platforms. For this they use this scalability. And when it comes to consistency, now unlike manual indexing, okay, where human error or subjective judgment may be introduced, but then here in automatic indexing, they ensure uniformity across these documents. Okay, that is called as consistency. Now if we have to see some examples, Google search engine is a prime example of this automatic indexing. Now every day Google algorithm crawls millions of web pages, processing their processing their content. It updates indexes also, and also it reflects new and changed information. So this massive induction operation allows you to search, and it retrieves some relevant web pages with milliseconds. That's it. Okay, that is nothing but indexing process and automatic indexing. Okay, I hope you understood. You can go through the video once again. Thank you so much. And if you like the video, don't forget to share it, like it, and subscribe the channel. And if you have any doubts, you can comment down. We'll be able to answer all your questions. Thank you so much.